Hey everyone, it's Bryce here from Ambitious Digital again, Director and Head of Marketing. Now in this video, I just want to talk about the booking systems within Microsoft Office 365 and Microsoft Teams. Now, a lot of business owners are not aware that this software is included in their Microsoft Office 365 subscription. So I thought I'd show you, what it does and the benefits of using it. And it could actually potentially cut costs in using other third-party booking services for your business. So let's jump into my laptop right now and I'll just show you a demonstration on how it works. Let's get started. All right, so we're in the Office 365 account. Now you need to install the booking system through this way, and it is right here. So all you have to do is just click on that and that should take you to this page here. So let's go through the stages and set it up together. So add a booking calendar, business name, let's just go Demo Limited. Let's just say you're a barber shop. Continue. And as you can see before, there were certain options and what kind of your business type was. Just taking a moment. Okay, so it's finally loaded and all set up here. So this is the back end of the booking system. So here you can add your calendar, add buffer time. So that's if you want to, have some, 30 minutes prior to a booking, have some free time to get prepared for it. You can link it to your Facebook page, and you can make any customizations here. And here's a kind of overview of your bookings made, estimated revenue, customers booked, etc. And there's also a little menu down here. So, you can link your staff to it, what services you provide, what the booking page actually looks like. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. So let's get stuck in here. Okay, so the first tab that we're into here is your calendar. Now, this will show who has bookings, who's available to take any bookings, and this is fully integrated with your Outlook email calendar as well, and also Microsoft Teams. So if you do need help setting that up, let us know. As you can see, there's only one staff member here at the moment, so not too much to see. You can add bookings in manually here if you wanted to. Looks like, I put barbershops, it's already put some default ones in there. You can put some time off, so make sure staff members are not getting booked on their off days, things like that. And below you can go to the booking page of how it actually visually looks like. So you can change the color of it, the time increments as well. So is it how often are you doing your bookings? Like how often they can book. Also the minimum lead time, which is really handy. So, just to say you need at least a couple of hours before someone can book, just so you're not caught off guard or anything like that. And maximum lead time, so how much in advance can they book with you? So that's really handy. Let's jump to customers. So there's nothing to show there, but as you build up bookings, this will build up here of customers. So it's good to have a good record of that. Staff, same thing. As you build out your team, you can add staff members in here. All from here, it's really straightforward. Name, email, phone number. And then services. So these were added by default because of the industry type selected. But of course you can add them in manually, what it's called, the description, where the location is, how long it is, buffer time for that specific service as well. Even price price sets if you want it to, is it hourly, or is it a fixed price? Everything can be modified here. And a cool feature as well is you can also set for them to get notifications. So maybe 24 hours before a booking, they get an email reminder. And you could also do it, maybe an hour or half an hour before their booking. So it's all really customizable depending on your business. And the last one here is just your business information. What are your business hours? Your address, logo, website URL, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, so let's jump into an example booking page of what it will visually look like. So this is the booking page that has pulled the information from the booking software. As you can see, it's got the company name and the services that were created by default. It's got the calendar and what times you can book, and also what staff member. Obviously, as you build it out with your logo and your colors, it will look a lot better. But this is generally what the template looks like. And what's great about it is you can also customize it to which staff members can offer which particular service. So it's very customizable. So it can suit any business type. So for example, if Megan didn't offer, basic color cuts, you could make it that she's not an option for that service. And at the bottom, this is adding your details and any notes you want. And the last thing I just want to touch on, guys, is how it can just be shared very easily. So if you just go on the booking page tab, you can do it through Facebook, Twitter, and email by default. You can even just copy the link here as well. So, you can share it within social media, within emails, all that kind of thing. And you can also embed it into your website, which is awesome. You want everything to be automated, and you want to send your website traffic to the booking system. It's perfect for that. Okay, so that's everything on the booking system, guys. It's really great, and it's fully included in your Microsoft Office 365 subscription. Ambitious Digital, we personally use it, and I love it. I love how it gets all the notifications, and it's all automated. Integrates with your personal Outlook and your Microsoft Teams. So if you have any internal meetings, there's nothing's going to clash with any client work. So it's really great. So yeah, if you have any further questions, you want to help set up this with your own company, then you're more than welcome to reach out. Like I've mentioned, we are Microsoft partners and official resellers of this software, and we're ready to help you guys automate your business as much as possible. So thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Cheers.